Question number 4, using algebraic integration, find the exact value. All right, so that question is related with 5 marks, and that is the type 3 of integration everyone knows, which is single parts of integration. So now what can I do? How we can integrate this type of function? But first you need to apply a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square for dx. That will become sine square 3x plus 2 sine 3x cos 3x plus cos square 3x. So as you can see, whenever you will see the square quantities, obviously you should know the square box, which is sine square plus cos square equal to 1, secant square minus tan square equal to 1, or cosecant square minus cot square equal to 1. So as you can see, this plus this equal to 1 actually. So 1 plus 2 times sine 3x cos 3x into dx. Perfect. Perfect. So let's apply integration separately. Because there is a plus sign, limits are correct. I think okay. Everything is okay. 2 sine 3x and cos 3x. Alright. So everyone knows sine 2x is actually equal to 2 sine x cos x. Yes, we know the variation of sine 2x actually. So everyone knows in variation of sine 2x, this angle is always the double of this angle actually. So if I will say 2 sine 3x cos 3x. So this angle should be the double of this angle. So what is the double of 3x actually? Which is 6x. That is a formula we have to use over here. You can't integrate this function directly, obviously. You have to use formula. Trigonometry is very important in integration and differentiation. So now I can use sine 6x in this function. Now everyone know I can't integrate sine function until the derivative of angle is present outside the box, outside the operator. So the integration of 1 will be x plus, I can't integrate sine function directly until the derivative of angle will be present outside the angle or a box actually. So the derivative of box is 6, which is not present. So you have to multiply with 6 inside the function. And similarly, you have to divide with 6 outside the integration function. That is a universal rule. So now I can integrate, the three things will disappear, this one and this one and this one actually. So the integration of sine x, everyone knows. What is the integration of sine x? The integration of sine is the minus cos of 6x. Not positive cos. I'm not talking about derivative. Be careful. I'm talking about integration. Now just apply the limits. Upper limit minus lower limit. Always put the bracket. I already told you. Be careful. Up pi by 12 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 pi by 12 minus lower limit cos of, sorry, minus 1 by 6 cos of 6 pi by 18. So pi by 12, just simplify now. Cos of 6 2s are, so cos of pi by 2 actually. Minus pi by 18 minus 1 by 6. 6 3s are 18. So cos of pi by 3. Yes. What is cos 90 value? Cos pi by 2 means pi by 2 is actually 90. So cos 90 is 0 from table value. Minus cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 is actually what is 60 degree and cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2. Just open the bracket. Minus minus will become positive. Take LCM for both of them. Pi plus 1 over 12 minus pi by 18. I hope everyone can take LCM easily. So 12 and 18, 6. It can be divided by 6. 6, 3 is a, and 6 2 is a. In denominator, you will see 36. Even you can use your calculator directly, but your answer should be in exact value, not in decimal value. Because he said find the answer in exact value. Do not try to use calculator. The final answer will be pi plus 3 over 36. Again, you can check. This question is very straightforward. Just open the a plus b whole square formula and you know that sin square plus cos square equal to 1. And then this term which is remaining, I can't integrate this function directly. Again, you have to use trigonometry formula. Trigonometry formula, you should know the variation of trigonometry. I already told you in notes, be careful. And integration 1 and integration sign is always minus cos. You can't integrate, that is the basic important rule for integration. You can't integrate any function directly until the derivative of function is boxes or angle is present outside the operator actually. Since just simplify and apply limits, we'll get the final answer.